Hello you beautiful peeps, this is just a quick extra video. I noticed as I was leaving that I had these crazy large wheels with me, so I thought I'd put them on the 124017 with the 80 amp ESC from the JLB Cheetah 4S battery and the original brushless motor. Let's see what it can do.
Look at that easy wheels. Oh! I love that. Ah, man. Get in. There you go. Come on! Oh, so close! I can't do any faster on these roads. I'm going to have to go up to Ali and do my speed running up there. I've been around the whole day trying to find a suitable piece of road, and I just can't. Alright, see you soon.
So I was hoping to get a really good speed run here, but 88 kph isn't that bad, but on these large wheels I expected it to be monstrous fast, which it obviously isn't, so I'm going to have to wait once again to get up to Ali, like I just said. So I'm going to just pack up all of my fastest cars and just have a day up there, so make sure that you look out for that video. Have a great day, take care, bye bye.